Okay, quite big problem. Next, that is all. This is also quite tough one. For x square plus 2x plus 5 to be a factor of x raised to 4 plus alpha x square plus beta, the values of alpha and beta should be respectively. Means what? This x raised to 4 plus alpha x square plus beta should be completely divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. There should be no remainder. Okay, and for that we have to find the value of alpha and beta. Okay, it means what? You have to divide this expression with this expression, x square plus 2x plus 5. Now remember one very important point, that is, always bring all the terms of x in both dividend and divisor. All the terms, I tell it every time, all the terms. X raised to 4, then is there x raised to 3? No. So you have to bring x raised to 3. How? X raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus alpha x square plus 0x plus beta, right? Because x is also not there in dividend. Now divisor, x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, every term is there in divisor. So remainder should be 0. Why remainder should be 0? Because these are the factors. Factors means remainder is always 0. So start dividing now. So x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus alpha x square plus 0x plus beta divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. First with first. So you get x square, x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 5x 2x cube plus 5x square. Okay, minus 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 over here. So it becomes minus 2x cube plus alpha minus 5x square plus 0x. This 0x over here. We have not yet touched beta. Okay. Now first with first. So minus 2x cube upon x square is minus 2x. So put it in the quotient. So minus 2x cube, and here it becomes 2 to the 4 minus 4x square, right? 5 to the 10 minus 10x. So change the signs. It becomes 10x, and here alpha minus 5 plus 4, right? Alpha minus 5 plus 4 x square, and this gets cancelled. And now bring down beta, this beta. Okay, solve this now. Alpha minus 1 into x square, this becomes, right? This becomes 10x and this becomes beta. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.